God's divine message of monotheism, one God, to Abraham was in fact replicated by all the prophets and messengers sent to the world. Abraham was neither Jewish nor Christian. He was a submitting monotheist, and he was not an idolater. So from an Islamic perspective, all of God's chosen reinforces key divine directive of worshipping only one God. And this is repeatedly restated in the Quran where it deals with the special prophetic role and the spiritual function of Jesus. While Muhammad is mentioned only 4 times by name, Jesus is referred to at least around 44 or 45 times. Jesus is also described as the Word of God. Indeed, Jesus is so highly honored in this world and in the hereafter that the Quran says he is among those who are nearest and closest to the Creator.